Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, mikaytv Vlogs, and today we will going to make a simple, easy, delicious, and nutritious salad, which is Tabbouleh Salad. So this is very easy, guys, and hope you will like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck sa last chatters ko. And let's go!
First, here I will prepare our big grenade. We have here 1/2 cup of Bugul, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of lemon juice. I prepared this one, guys, so that the Bugul will absorb the lemon juice, and I put salt and black pepper to taste. Then just mix it and set it aside. And for the vegetables, I will prepare here mint. This is optional, but it is better to put it in our salad because mint have health benefits in our body. First, it's filled with nutrients, improve digestive health, boost immune system, and it's better for our brain function. So it's better to put this one in our vegetables. Next one is parsley. Make sure to cut it very small. And did you know, guys, that parsley works as a powerful natural diuretic, and it can help reduce bloating and blood pressure. It's rich in vitamin C and K, improve bone health, protect against Crohn's diseases, and provide antioxidant benefits. And we have here our spring onion. Spring onion has also many health benefits. So it treats constipation, helps cure anemia, reduces skin inflammation, and so on and so forth. And we have here, guys, tomatoes, and make sure to cut it in very small pieces. And did you know that tomatoes are very beneficial to our health? Tomatoes may help protect brain health, helps protect heart disease, help constipation, prevent type 2 diabetes. Adding tomatoes to the diet has a positive effect on blood lipid levels and blood pressure thanks to the lycopene content. And just put in the bowl our cut vegetables and just mix it all together. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my video, and see you next time. And always remember to make a daily healthy habits.